In the heart of Seville, Spain, stands an architectural marvel, known as the Real Alcazar. Nestled amidst the hustle and bustle of the city, it emerges as an emblem of the bygone era. An enthralling piece of history, it stands tall, graced with countless stories etched in its stone walls. This medieval palace has been a silent spectator to the passage of time, dating back to the 10th century. The journey through its age-old corridors is akin to taking a step back in time. Its walls whisper tales of the past, of kingdoms that rose and fell, of rulers who lived and died, and of cultures that thrived and faded. Its history is rich, steeped in awe and reverence, a saga that transcends time and space. The Alcazar's architecture is a visual feast, a testament to the grandeur of Moorish, Gothic and Renaissance styles. These distinct styles work in a harmonious blend, each contributing to the palace's unique charm. From its intricate carvings to the stately arches, every nook and cranny narrates a tale of artistic brilliance and painstaking craftsmanship. The Moorish designs captivate with their intricate geometric patterns. The Gothic style enthralls with its towering spires and pointed arches, and the Renaissance period boasts of grand symmetry and proportion. The palace's serene courtyards provide a stark contrast to the bustling city outside. The grandeur continues in its lush gardens, where the soothing sound of fountains echoes amidst the verdant greenery. The palace's sun-drenched patios, filled with the fragrance of blooming orange trees, create a mesmerizing blend of sights, sounds, and aromas. The Real Alcazar, through its many transformations and restorations, has withstood the test of time. It's not just a monument, but a living, breathing chronicle of Seville's history. Each stone, each carving, and each archway continue to recount the tale of Spain's rich cultural heritage. This medieval palace, dating back to the 10th century, is a testament to the grandeur of Moorish, Gothic and Renaissance styles, each contributing to the palace's unique charm. The Real Alcazar isn't just a palace, but an art piece. Its marble artwork, painstakingly crafted by master artisans, exhibits intricate patterns and designs that will leave you in awe of their creative genius. For those who find the name Real Alcazar familiar, it's probably due to its role in the famed TV series, Game of Thrones. The palace's grand halls and beautiful gardens were transformed into the fictional city of Dorne, making it a must-visit destination for fans of the show. Wandering through the Alcazar's gardens is like stepping into a fairy tale. The air is perfumed with the scent of flowers, and tranquil pools reflect the lush greenery, creating a serene oasis amidst the city's hustle and bustle. But the Alcazar isn't just about grand halls and stunning gardens. There are hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path to uncover secret nooks and lesser-known areas, each with its own story to tell. As we admire the beauty of the Real Alcazar, it's important to recognize its cultural significance. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the palace is a living testament to Spain's rich history and diverse cultural influences. Our journey through the Real Alcazar is now drawing to a close, but the memories of this remarkable place will undoubtedly linger. Until next time, as we continue to uncover the world's wonders and hidden gems on Earth Wanderer 360,